Hello everyone. Today we will learn about HCI, that is human computer interaction. So starting with the introduction, what is the human computer interface? See this diagram. This is human and computer. So computer provides efficiency, accuracy, recall and satisfaction to the human. So let us see in detail what is HCI. HCI, that is human computer interface, or people calling it as a MMI, that is man machine interaction, or sometimes CHI, that is computer human interaction. Let it be. Here two entities are very important. First one, or at the one side, is a machine, that is system or computer, and the second entity, that is we have considered is human. So here what we have to do, there is a one system and another one is a human. So in that we have to do the communication in between them, and like this kind of interaction or interface, okay, everything should be smoothly carried out. The interaction that will perform between these two entities, it should be easy, also it should be efficient, it should be very smooth, and it should be very safe. So the person who is using the computer, at the time of using computer, he should feel like that this computer is very easy to use. That is our objective of HCI. That means the person who will use that computer, he will feel like that it is very simple system to use. That is the our main motto or goal of the HCI, that is human computer interface. Okay, so what HCI says? HCI is saying it is the study which actually trying to develop or design a computer technology which could help of to make this interaction between human and computer more better, efficient and easy. Getting it? I hope you are understanding this point. If we go in history or past and try to understand the communication and interaction, so what was happening initially at the starting with each other in human and human, how communication was happening? Firstly, they learn to interact, okay, by with the help of some movements, gestures, like there is no language barrier. And example for this is common things like eating, food eating, or asking for the lunch, that have you finished your lunch or not. Okay, so with the help of movement and gesture they started communication. After that, at the initial level, after that what happened, we move to the next high level of interaction, where we have learned speaking and started to speak with each other by using some languages. It is little bit complex as compared to past. Now going forward, we arrive one another higher level of complexity where we calling writing. Yes, where we are communicating with each other in writing, like letter writing. Likewise, we started communication. Here level of complexity went at high level, but very efficient and easy way of interaction was. And now also there is a speaking. There is no challenge to speaking for interaction. With this speaking, we can easily convey to others our thoughts, and same the other person can also convey his thoughts to us. Some people know how to talk or talking, but they can't write, it also becomes barrier. So they have to learn for writing, they have to develop the skill. Here speaking becomes easy for interact. So like this we are trying to find the solution to get good interaction between human and computer. Like normal, what will happen, the user or human will give the input. How? By typing to the computer system. Now the user is giving input to the system. How the user have to perform some particular task from that computer system, specifically which task have to perform from that computer, specifically how to perform that task, specifically what is the deadline of that task. In view of this specification, if your computer system is working with that respective specification and processing and putting or giving the desired output in front of human, then we can call it as a it was the very good interaction or ideal interaction, because human that what he wanted he easily conveyed to computer, and computer also without doing interaction gave the desired output. The desired output it is given, shown on display, which was available here. What will happen? This is a idle interaction in the HCI that is we wanted and we are trying to develop and design. So I hope you are getting the point how we can make interaction easy, safe and readable. Okay. If I will give you this real life example like Android, Windows. These names are sufficient because they are most popular nowadays. Okay, so these are the famous because they are rich in many places. Okay, near about many peoples in world they are using or they are familiar with them. Okay, so these two things, Windows and Android, people are using. So did you feels why they are using? That is the big reason. What is the common point in between? And it is easy to use, user friendly, user centric, getting it. So that's why the more and more people are using that. So I hope you are getting this point. Here user is considered in the main center and its interest also considered in the center, which way he can use easy way that is putted in the center. Understanding behavior of human according to that interface is designed. Okay, so that means according to the interest of the user the interface is designed. So even I have my personal experience. If we give Android phone mobile, okay, to the kids, so within few seconds they are starting to play the game on the mobile. Even they don't know what is the Play Store, how we can develop or how we can download the games from the Play Store and how we can play that game. But by looking or by watching the pictures steps, automatically they starts to play game on the device. Okay, so that means we have make these things very easy, because the small kid also can easily use and enjoy their functions and resources in a very simple way. That is the point, that is the goal, and that is the objective of the HCI, as make these things easy and very easy, because small kid also use and enjoy the things easily. That is the main goal and objective of the HCI. Thank you.